So welcome back to the channel, guys. In the last video we have seen that actually we have started a project that we can see here. We are going to make an assembly design with these. So what I'm going to do, let me get the dimensions first. So the diameter is 60 and 58, that's okay. So today we are going to design a actually motor. Okay, so let's close this. Don't say. Yeah, and this one is the, yeah. So for that, uh, actually we are not going to design complete motor with each and every part like rotor and actuator or coiling part. But what we are going to do, we are going to just simply design a simple the out. That means we are going to simply make a covering or outer part of the motor. Later on we will design in some another video the complete motor, but today we are going to just simply design a motor. Okay, so for that I'm going for the selecting the first front plane, selecting a circle and draw a circle of radius 58. Okay, yeah, let's extrude this up to I think 80 mm. Yeah, that will be good. So 80 mm, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this curve. So for that I'm going to select the fillet and select this part. The diameter will be slightly greater, like 25 mm. Let's see, will it take or not. It okay, it's not like that. So let's reduce the diameter of that, and what should we get? Let's keep it 10. How much it will? Yeah, that's okay, but it's still carving a lot of area, so I'm going to reduce to I think 5 mm or 2 mm. 2 mm will be okay. Yeah, that's okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply select this face, sketch, go for sketch, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw another circle of uh, diameter of I think 5 mm. That's okay. Go for feature extrude boss base, and I'm extruding it to up to 20 25 mm. That's okay. So it's looking like motor. Yeah, that's okay. We are not going to actually design the internal part right now. We are simply just designing the outer covering or what we see from outside of the motor. Okay, so the motor is ready now. We have to slightly reduce the backside of that so that we can extrude some poles over it. So go for a sketch. Let's hit a 56 mm diameter circle. What's going on? Oh no, that's too much actually. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just extrude cut this up to 5 mm or I think 2 mm. 5 mm, that's okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this plane, go for sketch, and draw two slots, one over here and one over here. Simply just exit this, select this point and bring to the center, or just simply select this, select this, select this and horizontal. That's okay. Select this one, center line, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mirror the entities. This whole entities mirror about to, okay, that's okay. So the two poles are now done, and one more thing in the center. I think let's skip this part. So go for extrude boss base, extrude, I think 5 mm, that will be okay. Yeah, so the two poles are ready now. So let's keep it like that, and we will see another part, that means the fin of the fan, in another video. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.